Most workouts tell us to go harder as we age, but what if the smarter approach is walking with purpose, intensity, and recovery built in? Today, we're doing a quick 9-minute Japanese 3x3 interval walk designed to boost endurance, improve heart health, and challenge your body without beating up your joints. We'll alternate between powerful walking intervals and recovery periods while adding simple movements to keep the body strong, mobile, and energized. So clear a little space, listen to your body, and let's get moving together. All right, we're gonna start with our gentle walk. And each segment is gonna have 2 movements each, and they're gonna be up there on that screen. Okay. You can alternate left, right, heels up, or both up at the same time. Nice work. Walk it out. Make sure you keep these abdominal muscles engaged, pull back towards the spine. Next move coming up is a high knee. And you can feel how keeping these abdominal muscles engaged supports that balance. Walk it out. And those are the 2 moves in this segment. Okay, get ready to elevate these heels again. Pull those arms in. It reminds me of a lever. You pull these arms in and the heels come up. And walk it out. All right, knees down. Walk it out. Get ready for these heels. And the exhale is on the exertion. That's the easy way to remember. E&E, and walk it out. All right, we're gonna get ready for our first high intensity interval. All right, the walk is harder, and so is the pump of these arms. We're gonna start with some body waves. And march it out. You guys feeling energized already? I know I am. Next move, inner thigh waves. And march it out. And those are the 2 in this segment. Nice work. Four, 3, how about some body waves? And if you wanted to, you can always bring this body wave up to your toes. See that? And march it out. And of course, in this segment, you can feel the difference in this heart rate, right? Yeah, more intense. Legs out. And back to that march. Four, three, two, body waves. March it out. And we have enough time, you guys, to do these inner thighs again. Get in position. And coming up, we are going to bring it back down. And that will be our last interval. All right, walk it out. First move in this segment is a golf swing. And last one to the left. Walk it out. The next one is a bent over toe touch. Reach for that toe. Bring it back up. Feel that stretch in the back of that thigh? Yes. And walk it out. And of course, you feel the difference in this heart rate. Get ready for some more golf swings. You can really feel how this torso is opening up. Ah, nice. And walk it out. Okay, touch that toe. Last one. Nice work. Golf swings. And walk it out. Gotta stay here to the end. Down to the last 5 seconds. Cardio does not need to be extreme. We can do exactly what we did today, just mindful. Effective movement that supports our heart health as well as our joints. So you guys, all it takes is consistency. So please do remember to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the workouts in this series. And also please do subscribe to this channel by hitting that subscribe button below. And remember your family and friends out there, okay, that have been making those New Year's resolutions saying that they are going to get their bodies in shape, and they're still sitting on the couch just watching us do our thing. Share this channel with them as well, you guys. We all will be the better for it. Fitness that matters as we age is what it is all about. And I intend, okay, to make this chapter of my life the best chapter of my life. And every day I say that, which means that this day is going to be the best day. All right, you guys, thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special. And we will see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.